What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play You Should Be Sad by Halsey. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's using 4 different chords that you pick through and they just repeat throughout the entire song. Your chords that you're using are B minor, G major, D major, and F sharp minor. And I'm kind of going quickly through those because you're not technically using the full chord formations, you're kind of changing it up while you're picking. So starting with your B minor, you're going X, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2. And you're going to have that pinky on the 5th fret on the B string to start off as you're picking, and I'll show you what that means. So you're going to pick the A with your thumb, the D with your index, and then that pinky is on the 5th fret of the B string. And then take it off, pick your B string again, pick your A, take your middle finger off of the B string to where it's just being barred on the 2nd fret, A again, and then put your pinky on the 4th fret of the G string and pluck that. So again, A, D, B, B, A, B, A, G. And it happens pretty quickly. That's the beginning part of that little kind of pickup there. It's like bump, ba-bump, bump, bump, bump. So one more time. A, D, B, B, A, B, A, G. That's what you're picking for your B minor. And now you're going to go to your G chord, and all you need here is 3 on the low E and 3 on the B string, and you're going to pick low E, G, low E, B, low E, G, low E, B. Low E, G, low E, B, low E, G, low E, B. So from the B minor, then you're going to your D chord, and all you need here is 2 on the G string and 3 on the B string, and you're picking D, G, D, B, D, G, D, and then B, but on the 5th fret. Put your pinky on the 5th fret on the B string. So again, D, G, D, B, and I'm using thumb on the D, index finger on the G, and then my middle finger on the B string. And lastly, going to your F sharp minor, all you need here is you're gonna bar the entire 2nd fret and just put your ring finger on the D string on the 3rd fret. That's gonna help you for when you transition back into the B minor. So what you're picking here is low E, G, low E, B, low E, G, low E, B again, but you're putting that middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. So and then you're right back to the start where you can jump right back into that B minor chord because you already have everything barred from the F sharp minor. So again, low E, G, low E, B, low E, G, low E, B on the 3rd fret. and then it starts all over and that entire riff repeats throughout the entire song. So starting from the top, I'm going to play through this a few times very, very slowly so you can see how it looks. Here it is. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.